Hello everyone, it's great to have you all back again. Cleaning is something that we all do, but have we all ever thought about what goes into our cleaning kit or cleaning essentials and how natural or even eco-friendly they are? If you haven't, then don't worry because we have all chosen convenience and this in turn is killing our environment. I was no exception to this, and realizing the damage I was causing myself, I slowly have started making efforts over the last few years to switch to essentials that are more environmentally friendly. So, if you want to take a peek into what my cleaning kit looks like and how I have swapped certain essentials into more sustainable ones, then jump on in and let's get rolling. My first and most important essential in my cleaning kit are my cleaning gloves. These have been my go-to. These are actually made of latex, neoprene and nitrile. I know even though latex is biodegradable, the other two ingredients are just not. Unlike other gloves, these gloves are reusable and also have a drip cuff in them, so that's why it's been lying around in my kit. But if you know of any gloves that are completely biodegradable, please let me know in the comments below and I would love to have them myself. My next one is my good old all-purpose cleaner. Just a mix of water, essential oil and cast iron soap gives me the most eco-friendly cleaning solution for all my cleaning needs. The next one is a glass cleaner. A mixture of rubbing alcohol, vinegar and water is an environmentally friendly solution that leaves the surface shining and streak-free. Disinfectant. This is a mixture of hydrogen peroxide, water and essential oils. It helps clean bacteria and mold around the house. Once the job is done, it actually breaks down to water and oxygen, which is very environmentally friendly. I use this to clean Tanai's toys and any point of contact around the house. Another great cleaning must-have is vinegar. Because of its acidic nature, it cleans all the buildup, soap scum and even stains. I will leave a link on the screen below for all my DIY cleaners, so go take a look. With all my homemade cleaning supplies handy, I still have a store-bought cleaner in the kit for those days when I'm running short of time for an elaborate cleaning process. I used to use Fabuloso before and could not handle the fumes. After a lot of research, I found Lemmy Shine and 7th generation products to be the most plant-based ones. I think you should all give those a try. My holy grail in my cleaning kit is this baking soda. Biodegradable and unscented, it is one of the most effective scrubbing powders that I have come across. I get my bulk supply from Costco and have it inside a mason jar. I have a cardstock cut to measurement with some holes in there so that I can easily sprinkle it around for all my cleaning needs. These are sponges that I use to clean my countertops and I know they are not eco-friendly. This is something that has been lying around in my kit for a long time now but will slowly make its way out once I find a good replacement. Another favorite product in my cleaning kit is this squeegee. This one is made of bamboo and rubber and is completely eco-friendly. I love how it makes wiping out excess water an easy task. This is my favorite toothbrush. It has a biodegradable handle and I use it to clean all the crevices. Since all our brushes look the same, I am not sure if you can see I've named it cleaning so that we don't use it. I use this scrub brush to clean my shower, tub, tiles or even the sink. This is completely made of plastic and has been in my kit for more than a year now. Since it was time to replace it, I found this one which is completely biodegradable, made of bamboo and tapioca bristles. I could not use it for filming as I had not received my order yet from Amazon, but I love it when I find great alternatives. The most important essential in any cleaning kit are cloths. I have these microfiber ones for a few years now but have found a great biodegradable alternative called the Skoi cloths. Made of 100% cellulose, these are great for the environment and holds in a lot more water than your regular paper towel or cloth. My recent learnings have taught me that microfiber cloths are great for all our cleaning needs but are not eco-friendly at all. So I slowly will get rid of them one by one and replace all my cleaning cloths with the ones from Skoi. With so many choices for cleaning solutions that are available in the market, I think we often tend to just pick up essentials that are either marketed well or popular. But what we all forget is to check how sustainable they are. From here on, I request all of you guys to read your labels and make greener choices. These are all my must-haves in my cleaning kit. My journey to sustainable living has just started taking baby steps. I hope and wish I can find eco-friendly replacements for most of the products that I use. Of course, I'm not going to beat myself up through this, but I for sure will make an effort to ensure that I do not leave huge environmental footprints. I hope you got inspired by this video to look into alternatives that are more environmentally green. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button, and if you're new here, I would love to have you as my subscriber. Having said all of this, I shall take my leave now until I see you all again in my next one. Bye-bye.